Hi everyone! Today we are gonna make a trip to Düsseldorf. I have a lunch with a friend there. After, I'm just gonna stay in the city, have a walk, see what is new, and we plan for the evening to see the drones show from the Kirmes. So stay with us. We went to a Turkish restaurant called Boname. And I had crispy beiti with chicken, marinated veggies, Gouda cheese, garlic, chili yogurt. I am now on Königsallee. Now I am just taking a walk. It looks so beautiful today. It's sunny, very nice weather, warm. And after I will go for buying some things, and later we will go to a night show with drones. So we will see that in the evening. I like how they plant here. So beautiful flower. It's a very nice place to chill. This week it's Düsseldorf Fashion Day. I think they're exhibiting something here, so we are just gonna check what it is. I think it didn't start yet. So we might have a walk later here to see. Now we will go on the other side. There is something from Valentino Beauty. So we are gonna sit also here at the queue. This is my number. Oh, this one.
Hallo, welche Nummer hast du denn?
19.
Die 19. Die hat gerade in der Hand. So, perfekt.
Mhm.
Da haben wir einmal eine Herren- und eine Damen-Duftprobe.
Schön.
Bitte schön.
Mhm.
Ah, sorry, das war nicht die
Also,
grüne
ist
Tee.
okay.
Das war die
schön.
Blutorange.
Ah, das ist auch schön. Und das ist Günther.
Genau, und das ist der mit dem grünen Tee.
Ah, das ist auch schön. Dankeschön.
Gerne, gerne.
Weißt du, wo die drin
Ja.
I got like 2 perfume testers, which I love perfumes, so I'm happy to test this one, Valentino Donna and Louis Sure, the other one for guys. I have tried one which was with green tea, really nice. I am interested to try it again. And another one which was with mandarin, I think, or orange. I have to look it up, and it was smelling very interesting too. But I am very curious about the one with green tea. So there should be different events in the city. There is another one pop up here. I couldn't find a map with all the events in the city, so we are just walking by and see if we find something. This seems to be like a Korean beauty brand. It seems they have some sunscreen cream I have seen in the illustrations, and I think also something for the eye, like a cream.
Genau, also wir haben eigentlich eine Hautanalyse. So, you can see here. Keine Panik. Die haben jetzt so lange gebraucht.
So that was nice. It seems you can also make like a skin test there, but there was a long queue, so I didn't wait it so long. I did make some pictures from the photo booth. They're so cute. We were already preparing for the late show in the evening, so we started walking through the area where it's gonna be the show. We came back to see the Düsseldorf Fashion Day. I think today we will be able to see more things open. What do you think, Luis?
Good. My favorite perfume from Valentino actually was not there. I think just Valentino. I think that's
Okay.
like that one a lot. But this one were very interesting as well. The
The-
green one. The green one was,
The green one was really nice. So they show us two green tea perfumes, one for guys, one for girls, and they told us you can mix them also. And we mix it, and actually it smells really good.
yeah.
Let's see what else we can see. They make sketches here from outfits. Here you can have some ice cream. I think here will be later a fashion show. This is interesting, yeah. It has an interesting pattern, no? But is it like cotton? I guess. It's very nice. Really cute, yes. What company is it? The Ethical Silk Company. So maybe it's like silk or a silk mix. The material looks very nice. It's looking very interesting. Also the materials. They said they are using like an old technique to create the patterns and they design the clothes themselves. They had a very nice color palette as well. With a thematic A Day in the Park, they organized here in the same day of the Düsseldorf Fashion Day open air market, and you could find so many cool products from 3D print to clothing and postcards illustrated by artists. And we ended up to see a little bit from the fashion show where different brands show their latest looks. It was very nice. So I think that was it for today. See you in the next video.